The airbag warning light is a critical safety indicator that requires immediate attention when activated. Understanding its behavior patterns helps identify the severity and type of system fault. There are three main warning light behavior patterns, each indicating different types of system issues. A solid warning light indicates a detected fault in the airbag system. This means the system may be partially or completely disabled and requires immediate professional attention. A flashing or blinking light often indicates intermittent faults or communication errors between system components. This can signal sensor connectivity issues or low battery voltage affecting system operation. During normal startup, the airbag warning light should illuminate for 6 to 7 seconds as part of the system's self-test. If the light remains on after this period, it indicates a detected system fault. The airbag system, also known as the supplemental restraint system, consists of 5 core components that work together to provide crash protection. These 5 components include the airbag control module, crash sensors, occupant sensors, the clock spring, and seatbelt pretensioners. The airbag control module is the brain of the system. This sophisticated computer continuously monitors all sensors and determines when airbag deployment is necessary during a crash. The clock spring is a crucial component that maintains electrical connection to the steering wheel airbag while allowing the wheel to rotate. It's a common failure point, especially in vehicles over 7 years old. Understanding these warning light behaviors and system components is essential for vehicle safety. Never ignore an airbag warning light, as even intermittent issues can compromise the system's ability to protect you in a crash. Effective airbag warning light troubleshooting follows a systematic diagnostic approach. Start by documenting the warning light behavior pattern and checking for any recent maintenance or modifications to the vehicle. Use a professional-grade OBD2 scanner with airbag system capabilities to record all stored and pending diagnostic trouble codes. Generic code readers often miss critical airbag-specific codes. Airbag warning light issues fall into 4 main categories. Sensor-related problems account for 45% of cases, including faulty crash sensors and occupant detection sensor failures. Electrical problems represent 30% of cases, often involving clock spring failures and wiring harness damage. Module issues account for 15%, while mechanical factors make up the remaining 10%. When testing sensors, start with crash sensors and occupant detection systems. Use a multimeter to verify proper resistance values and check for continuity in sensor circuits. Clock spring failures are common in vehicles over 7 years old. Test continuity through the clock spring assembly and check for proper electrical connection to steering wheel components. Check battery voltage, which must be at least 12.4 volts for proper airbag system operation. Inspect wiring harnesses for damage, corrosion, or loose connections that can cause intermittent faults. Follow the proper repair sequence to ensure system integrity. Always fix the root cause first, then clear diagnostic codes, and perform any required system relearn procedures to restore full functionality. Remember that airbag systems are designed to be fail-safe. When in doubt, they disable themselves to prevent inadvertent deployment. This means even minor faults can trigger warning lights, but proper diagnosis and repair will restore full system functionality.